4 feature of using iClicker to give feedback on students' videos or the faculty videos. For example, we will speak about polling multiple choice. We will speak about target question, short answer, and numeric question. So let's start. For the first step is from your computer, you want to open your iClicker, select your course, and start your polling. You're getting a little box like this, you see it? Go back to your skill video, and you can play your skill video now, and then you can pose a multiple choice question to the class on your screen. So for example, this is just a mock question for practice. You can ask, after viewing this movie, this film, what stood out to you in this wound care procedure? And you give them 3 options, A, B, and C. And you want to have the question on, you want to start polling right here. And again, this is a multiple choice question. Give them time to respond, or you can say to them, you have 1 minute to answer, or you have 30 seconds to answer. We're just doing a mock, and we only have 3 students here in this mock. So we'll do 15 seconds. You press stop, and you go to the result, and you see 2 students selected option A, and 1 student selection option B. So you can have this as a discussion and start talking why A is right, why B is right, why, you know. The other option, it calls target question. For target question, you want to go into the video and put the video on the screen. The video has to be on the screen when you're showing the question. And you can ask the students a question to indicate with their cursor which area of which object or body parts in the video were right or were wrong or stood out to you, for example. And in here, in the question, you want to go into target question, and you want to press start. And again, you want to give students time that you think it's reasonable to think through where in the video areas are good or bad, or you want to talk about it. You're going to say, okay, we'll give you 20 seconds. So that was our 20 seconds. You press stop, and you go to the result. And you see total 3 students responded. That's 100% of your class. And you see in the video, the iClicker takes a screenshot and allows you, see, 1 student click the hand, another one the hand, and you can have a discussion with the class why you picked up the hand area. Was that a good thing? Was that a bad thing? Was that about a glove? Was that about how she held the tweezer? Was that how she reacted, or why the hand? You can have this as a way of discussion. The other piece I want to show you with the iClicker, let's go now, is the short answer. So the short answer, you want to ask the class a short question that that can either have a response of 1 word or have to 140 characters. So again, you want to ask the question, so when is a good time to open the sterile field during wound care? And then you can go up. Before you do, you need to select, oops, see, you need to select, because this was a short answer, right? You click here, and then you press play again for the time. So this is a short answer, so it could be 1 word or up to 140 characters. Let's say give the class, because it's short answer, maybe give them, you know, a minute or more time to kind of write and think through and respond. And you want to tell them how much time you want to give them. Press stop, and you go to result. And look, again, we have the 3 participants. And look, never was said by 1 participant. And after putting on gloves was said by 2 participants. So 2 participants spoke about the glove. They point to the hand because of the glove. And you can have this as discussion. Why the glove? What do we mean? Should we have a glove, not a glove? And this is about the target question. The other options of question that you have is numeric question. So you want to ask the class a question that has a number answer. And the trick here is not to give a range. So they cannot do 2 to 4 or 1 to 6. They have to actually give a whole number. So for example, you can ask, what do you think, according to the literature, what is the estimated time to maintain or to leave your open sterile field open? Is there like a particular time indicated? So you go into polling. And remember, this was a numeric. We need to check numeric. And then you press play to give them their time. So again, the answer has to be in a number answer, and you want to tell them how much time you want to give them for this question. And then you press, let's say you said 20 seconds. And when it reaches 20 seconds, you just kind of click the stop, and then you go to the results. And here you get different responses. You see one student says 8 minutes. And you notice they cannot write words. So you don't know, is that 8 minutes, 8 seconds, 2 minutes, 10 minutes. And you want to have a discussion why they spoke about this time, or where is it indicated in the literature. So those are 4 features that you can use with the iClicker, engaging the students in an online and face-to-face class. Hope you enjoyed this session, and see you next time.